Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you where was the last time and that Google Maps was updated. So, to answer this question, at first we have to enter the Play Store or App Store. Then we have to enter search, and in the search bar we have to search for Maps. On the App Store you have to search for Google Maps specifically. Here, as you can see, we have the Google Maps application, and here we have what's new. Last updated June 15th, 2025. So as you can see, for today, as I am recording this, it is 4 days ago. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.